wants a clean, fresh, and healthy drinking water? I do, and I bet we all do. This company reached out to me and they sent me 2 of their products. I will be doing unboxing and review. I will be showing you guys the box. It's right here. That. And here's the other one. So they sent me 2 boxes. This brand is Epic Water Filters. If you haven't heard of it, you better watch this video. Epic Water Filters eliminates odors and chlorine aftertastes, providing crisp and flavorful hydration. With each filter removes 200 plus contaminants. Removes harmful contaminants like fluoride, PFAS, lead, microplastic, heavy metals, ensuring safe drinking water. It encourages reduced hydration of sugary drinks, supporting hydration and overall well-being. And I can't wait to try this and show you guys how to put water in here. And of course, if you're interested, you can check their website. They have bottles, they have filters, and they also have pictures. I do have a coupon code for you. I will put the link and the code in the description box, so you better check that out. The shipping was quick. It was less than a week. I got it right away, so that was fast. It's 100 satisfaction guarantee with full refund options. So yes, look at this one, guys. The front of the box, it says Epic Water Filters. Each filter replaces 1,000 plastic water bottles. Some of us use water bottles, and of course I do. So that will be replaced because I will be using this Epic Water Filters. And it says water filtration feature and eliminates up to 99.9% of contaminants. The side and also the back of this box, you can just read that one. And also here's the little box right here. It says Epic Water Filters Nano, a replacement filter. So this, they sent me extra filter. What I'm gonna open first is this. I'm gonna show you guys also how I put the water in the pitcher. Let's open this box there. And coupon, but you can also use my coupon. So that's that. The packaging is beautiful. See, that's how they package it. The shipping was fast. I didn't expect that I'll receive it right away. And look at the inside. A gray color. Down here it says Epic Water Filter. The next one that you can't wait, and I can't wait to open it, is this big box. So let's open it together. I know you can't see it very good, but yeah. What's inside in this box? The manual or the booklet. I don't have my glasses, but anyway, it says the setup and the usage guide. So this is the guide on what to do. It tells you about the water filters, and that one, you know, the steps on how to use the filter. So yeah, it's a durable and safe materials. Everything is recyclable. And this one is just a paper right here. They put this in the box. It's including in the box, and you just have to read that one. So here it is. I can't wait. That's it. Look at this one, guys. Yay. They put it in this plastic thing. This is what it looks like. Here's the picture. Yeah, it's a bamboo handle, and it says this packaging is 100% compostable. That's what it says on the back. It's really pretty. So this one right here, that's the timer, and each filter produces 150 gallons of fresh water, 3 to 4 months use. So here it is. It's easy because you just have to lift this thing. See, that's easy. You can put this in the fridge, especially like if you're thirsty, then you know, I like cold water, and who doesn't? Here, look at that. That is so pretty. Their brand right here, Epic Water Filters. Here's another one. This is the filter, the white one. Look at that. So I'm gonna screw this back. There you go. I'm going to put this back in the pitcher. Where is this pointing? This one also is pointing right the same, you know, the same spot. I'm going to put the lid there. Okay, I think I got it wrong. Here it is. Okay, that's the right one. So this is where the water will come out. I'm going to put the top. So there. So it's easy to pull the top because of this one here, the blue. We'll try this and see how it works. I'm here in a different location. I'm in the living room. This Epic Water Filter pitcher. Let me read. It says the filter life for one person is 4 to 5 months, and 2 people is 3 to 4 months. Family, 2 to 3 months. You can just read over here. There. I'm gonna fill this up with water, and it says the dispose of the initial 2 pitchers of filtered water. I'm going to put water in here twice, and the first one I will probably just dump it in the sink, and the other one water my plant or put it in the humidifier. I can use that. The third one I will have to drink it. So it's dripping down there. This might take a while since the water is filtering. So this is the second time that I fill this pitcher, and I'm still waiting. It will take about 15 to 20 minutes to really fill this pitcher. I mean, you know, not a lot, but yeah, I'm gonna dispose this second water, and then the third one I'm gonna drink the water. So I'm so excited. This one here is a LED timer. It says 90 days, and I think that's 15 maybe to 90 days. All you do is just press this one for 8 seconds. There you go. You see that? Yeah. Arrow over there, so we're here. Here's our drinking water. Let's try drink this water or how it tastes. So let's drink it. Yes. It's fresh, clean, and healthy drinking water. Epic Water Filters. This nano filter is different from the filter that comes in the pitcher, and this is designed for well water or the outdoor fresh water use. And these are the filter they made. So this is not a replacement filter for the pure pitcher. So I'll drink this. You can put this in the fridge if you want cold water, or if you just want a room temperature, that's fine too. But I like cold water, but this one, it's not. So yeah, so if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Subscribe now and hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of my new upload videos. Thank you, Epic Water Filters, for sending this and the extra filter. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. Mwah.